Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss with you about your whole project where you want an e-commerce website on your becomfi.sg domain. So, I am MD Alal from Bangladesh and I am a professional e-commerce web developer. First of all, I would like to inform you that your desired website has already been developed. So I hope you will watch the full video so that I can let you know my discuss and verify your requirements with me. I have developed your website according to your PDF file, which is about 70% complete development. So to complete the remaining 30% of the development, please make me the winner on your contest so that I can give you the full website with your all requirements. Also, I have designed a great logo for you. I hope you like the logo. Here is the logo, and you can take the logo to me in any format you want. So, this is my 4 entries. So, click 1 and this is the headline, but this is the link on your website. So I just copy the link and some description about the contest of my entry. Okay, so I open a new tab and paste your website link, then press my enter. Go to your website and this is your complete website. You can see first of all I designed the logo and website color which you provide the button color. So I hope you like the color combination and the clean of this website. And here is the product departments, that mean category, and some pages like home page, shop page, all of your product categories, and order track option, about us page, contact us page, and frequently asked question. And important thing I want to tell you, this website is lazy load and infinity scroll system. This means the website including lazy load function and very fast load time. Let's take a look what the website will support responsive on any device. So I inspect my browser and you can see the website is on mobile device. So first I check the laptop resolution and you can see the laptop resolution is very clean and look great. Now tablet mode, and here is the menu option. Okay, Dear sir, you can see how beautifully the website is supported on any device. So you don't have to worry about the responsive style of this website. So I close the window and let's check your requirements one by one with this website. First of all, you write about the website description which needs to be complete in 5 days. But I complete it just one day. So I think you got enough idea about my development skill and experience. And first you say the WordPress version is latest. So the e-commerce website is full integrated with the latest WordPress version as well as the full SSL include. Okay, and you can add dynamic picture for each product. Also, I forget the A. So the Stripe gateway is include. I'll show you. Here is the function. So the Stripe account. So it's done. And third option, for each page or template, I have used Element Page Builder, which is very simple and fast. So you don't have to worry about the page and template customization. Also, all the rest of your requirements like social login, contact from 7, shipping, simple testimonial showcase, and daily backup and restore function, WooCommerce PDF invoice and packing slip, and Ajax etc. All the features from A to U have been included on the website. Now come to the next requirements. The first thing you talk about here, the payment gateway, and I already show it you. Then I added the Singapore dollar currency and gave a logo. So I think your website is about 70% developed, and if you want to develop the remaining 30%, please let me know and make me the winner on your contest so that I can develop the website completely for you. You can also visit my YouTube channel to know about my skill and experience, and you can also search for all my information by typing BD Web Foundation. I'll show you in the Google search bar, and you can find more about my skill and work experience. Remember, sir, I will give you the best service because my web development team is full qualified and I will full satisfied you. Also, if you develop your website by me, I will give you full 3 years hosting for free as a gift. Thank you. Hopeful you I hope you like my developed website and I can satisfy you. So please make me the winner on your contest. Thank you, MDLR.